How to post a video on Steam 2025 updated video tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can post a video on Steam. So first of all, you need to open your desktop Steam app, and after that you are on this interface, and you just have to go into the right upper corner and click on view my profile. And after coming to here, you can see a option called videos. As you can see, you have to click on the videos, and nothing matched to your account, so you can now click on link YouTube account from here. And after that, as you can see, there is telling your videos. You can now stream, share your finest gaming moments with your friends, upload amazing highlights, insightful reviews, helpful tutorials, and other game inspired greatness created by you. You can link your YouTube account to your Steam profile, select the videos you want to add to your profile, and share with your Steam friends so they can marvel. So after that, you can click on access your YouTube videos, and after clicking on here, you can just sign into your Steam account. And after signing in, yeah, you are good to go, and you are now connected to your Steam account with your YouTube account, and you can now share your videos to your Steam friends. And that's it for the video. That's how you can share a video to Steam account. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.